Hola mi gente bella, ¿cómo están todos mis aventureros? Boa tarde, bom dia, boa noite, qualquer que seja na hora que você está curtindo esse vídeo aqui. Eu agradeço muito, forte abraço, beleza? I'm on my way right now to set my studio in the natural environment, which is mean the best place to be, right here. And I'm gonna set some bonfire as well. At the moment I'm going to do this, I'm gonna share with you guys spearfishing at the island of the Trinidad and Tobago. No further ado, I'm gonna leave you with a spearfishing video for all of you to enjoy, and I'm gonna keep going on my way to set this camp. All right, folks? So we'll see you there. How about that? Noah, you're missing this. I know you like it. And don't worry, Daddy will bring you here. Actually, this is a great spot. What I'm going to set now here, my my studio. I hope you enjoy the spearfishing video. I'm trying to do my best, you know, to put all together with the images on the water, images, you know, of myself, good memories, you know, in the past years in Trinidad and Tobago, the island, and contact with all the environment in that area. It was beautiful for me because to low down your heart rate and be capable to meditate on the water, because that's actually what you got to do, you know, to be able to last longer and shoot the target, all that in one breath, just one breath, and then go down and do all that. I mean, it was an amazing experience for me, guys, in the island. I hope you enjoy the whole footage, the short adventure, the place here that in the future I'm gonna bring you for all of you folks. All right, don't forget to subscribe because it's for free, and hit that bell button to stay tuned for the new video coming ahead. See ya, ciao.